Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install FastStone Image Viewer in your computer in a very simple way. It's a feature packaged image viewer with a built-in basic editor. How you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and you can simply search for FastStone Image Viewer. Simple. Click enter. And then we're going to get the first website. Click on that, and then we're going to click on the download option over here. Click on exe download, click on download, and after complete the download you can simply click on the folder icon, click on 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, simply minimize all the background tab, and now you can simply click on next, I agree, install, and it will be start installing in your computer. Click finish, and it will going to come over here. Here is it. If you click on it, you can simply see all the images from here. Also, you can simply edit them by your choice. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.